So back with the Prestige again, and you can see now that we've got a bind between the orange transmitter module, the ORX 2.4 module on DSM2, and down here you can see the Spectrum receiver on DSM2. That's all bound up nicely. So yeah, I'll show you the servos working now. So let's have a quick look at the controls on the Prestige. So we've got aileron here on these left two servos. You can see I've wired two together, so this will be used in a period aerobatic model, so I'll have two aileron servos. Elevator here, the third servo along, which you can see, and we've got then rudder, which is here, and then we'll use the throttle, which is this one, throttle open. So just whilst I've got the throttle open, I can flick this switch and that will close the throttle. That'll be like a throttle lock, and you can hear the alarm telling me that I've got the throttle lock on. So if I move that back to there, set the throttle back to 0, and then I have control of it again. This rotary proportional channels on the top left there, and then also I've got a slow channel 7 there, retract or whatever, and then here I've got a minute minder as well. I just press this once, and that should, after 1 minute, that should then start beeping, and that will tell me, you know, it depends on the number of presses I do with this, so I can do 3, 4, and that will just give me a countdown timer for you know, telling me when I should be thinking about landing. There we go. Really pleased with this. Really unusual set. It's a fiberglass transmitter case. Here's the back of it. Quite a substantial beast, but as you can see, made of glass fibre. Very low production. I don't know how many of these were made, but very, very few. I've never seen one in operation through all the years that I've been in the hobby. Well, I've seen them once. I've seen it once, and I know that Terry Cooper used it at the 1971 World Championships in Doylestown. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like it, do give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos of my transmitter and radio collection from the 60s and 70s in the near future. Thanks. See you next time. Bye-bye.